Hey there, have you ever heard of money? It's something people use to buy things like toys and candy. But have you ever heard of something called cryptocurrency? It's like money, but it's not real money. Cryptocurrency is like a secret code that you can use to buy things on the internet. It's kind of like the password to your favorite game, but you can use it to buy stuff instead of unlocking levels. To keep your cryptocurrency safe, you need to put it in something called a wallet. It's like a special pocket on your computer where you keep your code safe from bad guys. But if you want to buy something with your cryptocurrency, how do you know it's real? That's where something called a blockchain comes in. It's like a really big list that everyone can see, and it keeps track of all the times people use their cryptocurrency code. When you use your code to buy something, it gets added to the blockchain. And because lots of people are keeping track of the blockchain, it's really hard for someone to cheat and say they used more code than they actually did. Some people like cryptocurrency because it's like a secret club. You have to know the secret password, your code, to use it, and not everyone knows the password. But some people think cryptocurrency is risky because the value of different kinds of cryptocurrency can go up and down really fast. It's like if you traded your toy for some candy, but then the next day the price of candy went down and you couldn't trade it for a toy anymore. One famous kind of cryptocurrency is called Bitcoin. It's like the Mickey Mouse of cryptocurrency, everyone knows about it. But there are lots of other kinds of cryptocurrency too, like Dogecoin and Ethereum. Some people think that cryptocurrency is the money of the future. Maybe someday we'll all be using it instead of regular money. But who knows, maybe in the future, we'll be trading stickers instead. Mining cryptocurrency is like digging for treasure, but instead of digging in the ground, you're using your computer to solve puzzles. It's not easy, but if you solve the puzzles, you can get more cryptocurrency. Some people who use cryptocurrency are called crypto nerds or crypto geeks. They're like super smart secret agents who know all the cool secrets. Some people use really funny names for their cryptocurrency coins, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. It's like they're naming their pets. Cryptocurrency is really good for buying things on the internet, especially if you want to buy things from people in other countries. It's like having a secret code that works anywhere in the world. But if you lose your password to your cryptocurrency code, it's really hard to get it back. It's like losing your favorite toy and not being able to find it. So there you have it, cryptocurrency is like a secret club for buying things on the internet. It's like having a treasure chest full of secret codes that you can use to buy anything you want. Thanks for watching.